Sup guys, Christos here. In today's video, I am going to be sharing every single way that you can make money using the free trading app FREETRADE. Now, if you already know what FREETRADE is, then please feel free to skip this video about 30 seconds. But if you didn't, FREETRADE is basically a commission-free trading platform that allows you to buy shares and hopefully in the future sell them on for a profit. It has become extremely popular in the past couple of years with the influx of retail investors like myself, mainly because they offer zero commission trades when you buy and sell shares. And one thing I have to say, when I compare this to my Hargreaves Lansdown trading app where they charge commissions up to £12 per trade, this obviously seems like a great deal for a beginner investor. But how can you actually make money using this app? Well, that's exactly what I'm going to be sharing with you guys today. I have 4 different ways that you can uniquely make money with FREETRADE, and we're going to be getting into them right now. Number 1, buying stocks right now and then selling them at a later date. Alright, it doesn't get any more simpler than this one. This is basically the process where you will buy a stock or multiple stocks in a company. You will then hold that stock for a certain amount of time, hoping that that stock price will go up, and in the future you can potentially sell those stocks for a profit. For example, if I was to go ahead today and buy 10 stocks in a company that has a stock price of $10, if I was to then wait 10 years and over that 10 years that stock price was to go from $10 to $20, I could then potentially sell all 10 of my shares, making myself a $100 profit because each share has gone up $10. Taking this approach to making money on FREETRADE is generally looked at as a long-term investment strategy. Taking myself as a personal example, any stock that I would be looking to invest into right now, I would only invest into that stock if I was comfortable on holding that stock for at least 10 years. I am not trying to make any quick cash by investing into long-term companies. It is very much a 10, 15 or maybe even 20-year thing. In terms of the company that you should invest into, this is very much a personal preference and research that you're going to have to do by yourself. However, if you did want to check out the companies that I personally invest into, then I'm going to leave a link up here or over here of a recent stock portfolio overview video I made on my YouTube channel, so go ahead and check that out. Number 2, buying and selling stocks on the same day, also known as day trading. Now I'm going to say straight up, this isn't something that I have personally done before, but it is a completely legit way that you can potentially make money using FREETRADE, so I'm going to have to include it within this video. And basically, day trading is very, very similar to investing. However, instead of buying a stock and holding it for the long term, you're normally buying multiple stocks every single day and then selling them within that same day. Some day traders in fact sell up to thousands of stocks during a day trading session at super low margins, but because they are trading so many times, those margins are of course going to add up over time. And like I mentioned just a moment ago, this is absolutely possible to do within the FREETRADE app, but there are a couple of things that you should be cautious about before making your decision to start day trading. Number 1, this is actually a much riskier way than traditional investing, simply because you're going to have to put down a lot more money to make those small margins actually worth it. And then number 2, the internet is actually full of scams of people claiming to be day trading experts, claiming that they can make you thousands of pounds with just clicking a couple of buttons. This simply isn't the case. You would likely have seen on Instagram a person sitting in a Lamborghini checking their trading chart. This is just absolutely rubbish and I would never pay attention to it. So please do tread with caution. Number 3 in the ways that you can make money with FREETRADE is making money through dividend payments. So some companies that you decide to invest into will actually pay you a dividend back into your trading account every single quarter. This is a small amount of money from the profits that that company makes, and the reason why they do that is simple. Just to say thank you for investing into their company and helping them grow their business. However, not all companies actually pay a dividend, and it's really easy within the FREETRADE app to work out whether the company that you are investing into actually pays one or not. Basically, taking this example here, we have Coca-Cola stock up on the screen, and basically all you need to do to find out whether a company pays a dividend is simply scroll down to the point where you see the stats section, and what you can see here is something called called a dividend yield. Now, as you can see with Coca-Cola, they are currently paying a 2.95% dividend yield. This is 2.95% that they are going to be giving back to you every single year of the current stock price. Now, let's say you wanted to invest into a company like Tesla. Let's say if you were to go over to the Tesla page on FREETRADE and scroll down to the stats section once again, what you'll actually notice is that the dividend yield section is blank. This simply means that they are currently not paying a dividend back to their investors. This isn't to say that they will not offer them in the future. All this is saying right now is that Tesla is currently taking all the money that they earn from their business and then they are fully reinvesting it back into growing their business instead of giving some back to their shareholders. The only other thing that you need to know about dividend paying stocks is that if you are owning a stock that does pay a dividend, of course the second that you sell that stock, you will stop receiving dividend payments from that company. Now, the fourth way that you can earn money through the FREETRADE investing app is one that some may consider being quite gimmicky, but it's actually through their refer a friend FREETRADE system. So basically, when you become a FREETRADE member, if you signed up through a referral link, you would have actually received a free share worth anything between £3 and £200. However, what also would have happened is that the person that had referred you would have received one of those as well. What's great about this feature is that you do not need to be an influencer or a YouTuber or anybody like that to be able to refer friends to FREETRADE. Anybody that signs up to their app currently is going to have this feature, and it is currently unlimited. And to be able to do this through the FREETRADE app is extremely simple. On your homepage where you have your overall portfolio, you simply will see a free shares button in the top right hand corner. If you simply click on that free shares button, you can then go ahead and click the send free share button, and then that will give you an option of multiple ways that you can actually share this link. The only other thing to remember about this is to be able to activate your free share, the person that is signing up will have to deposit at least £1 onto the platform to be able to activate their reward. And of course, it goes without saying, if you haven't signed up to FREETRADE yet and you would like to get your free share up to £200 in value with me, then the link is in my description down below. Having said all that, there are 4 legit ways that you can make money using the FREETRADE app, and anyone can do this. If this video has taught you anything, then I would really appreciate it if you left it a like down below. Please leave a comment with any questions that you had, and I shall catch you guys in the next video. Take care.